Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove Instagram account from list. All we need to do in order for us to remove the specific Instagram account that we'd like to go ahead and remove from our Instagram application is to launch the Instagram application. And once you're already here, go ahead and proceed with logging in to your Instagram account. And I have already done that right now. I want you to tap on your bottom right corner to access your account. Once you're there, let's tap on the 3 lines option and let's access the account center. Once you're here, I want you to tap on your account. So you do have profiles over here, sharing across profiles and stuff like that. I want you to tap on your profiles, and as you would see, you also have the option to manage your profiles and choose the specific account that you'd like to go ahead and remove. So from here, basically this shows you the option to sync your profile info and do stuff like that. But if in the case that you want to go ahead and directly remove your account from here, you do need to access your account settings. So over here onto the bottom, you could actually see right below your account settings, here you have the option to add or remove from this account center. Just go ahead and tap on that. You will see the specific accounts that you would go ahead and remove. Just choose which one you prefer to remove from this list, and it's that easy, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.